Hey there, and welcome back to Tim Talks Cooking. Today we are talking keto buffalo chicken dip, my friend. You heard me right. Keto buffalo chicken dip. This is a wonderful dip that I have keto-fied completely from a recipe I saw online looking for the most popular Super Bowl snacks of the year. Anyway, this is one of them, and I'm going to show you how to make it low carb and high fat, and it's just delicious. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this delicious recipe. It starts off with 2 pounds of shredded chicken, and I'll put a link on the screen for my Instant Pot chicken breast recipe. You'll also need a half a cup of ranch dressing. Another link will appear. This is my keto sugar-free ranch dressing. If you buy ranch dressing in the store, just make sure you read the label to make sure there's no sugar or high fructose corn syrup in it. Half a cup of blue cheese crumbles. Half a cup of buffalo sauce. That's a 1/4 cup of Tabasco sauce and a 1/4 cup of melted butter mixed together. Or you can buy it already made. And I've also got 8 ounces of cream cheese that's softened. We're going to put these all in the same bowl. And I'm going to mix them up. The easiest way here is going to be with my hands. So there we go. Once you've got the ingredients well mixed together, we're going to put them in a baking dish like this. And it's okay if there's still some lumps of cream cheese there, but it's not okay if you leave some out on the counter. Here we go. We're just going to spread this out in the bottom of this baking dish. No need to spray it because this is really full of fat. Then we're going to spread this out evenly over the bottom. And I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes later, and I've just pulled this out of the oven. Let me say, this smells incredible. I can't wait to dig into this, but first let's give it a little bit of garnish. I've cut up some green onions here, and I'm just going to sprinkle them over the top. This is how I would serve it at a Super Bowl party, or how I'm going to serve it right now, because I'm going to have a little bit of it, of course. We could also add a little splash of some extra buffalo sauce, and I'm just going to drizzle some over from the bottle. That's delicious. Ooh, maybe not get it all over the table. And I'm going to add a few crumbles of blue cheese on top too. Since the dip is hot, this will melt while the guests gobble it up. And maybe just a little wipe here on the side to clean up my plate. And we're ready to serve. Well, all right, let's give this a taste. I think it looks great. Get a little bit of it here. I'm going to serve this on celery sticks. I think that sounds pretty good. Wow. Just delicious and so spicy, buttery, got that wonderful blue cheese flavor. Chicken is just delicious. I think you're going to like this recipe on the Super Bowl Sunday or any other time you need a delicious dip. Man! Listen, before you go, I hope you will like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow. It also helps you find my videos, especially if you click on the notifications bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is actually a couple of times a week. Thanks for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. We'll catch you next time.